Welcome to Flavors of Genova, where we discover the culinary tradition of the city, one bite at a time.
Focaccia is one of the most important dishes in Genova. We grew up eating focaccia. This is the first food we grab in the kitchen and eat when we are in the stroller, when we are toddlers. This is the food that young adults eat for their aperitivos, and we have it at home in our tables, as in other regions they have bread. And now let's go to see how we make focaccia.
The leavened dough is placed in the tray and carefully stretched all the way to the edges. Before making the classic dimples, it is flooded with a simple brine, olive oil, water and salt. I asked the baker for the exact recipe of the brine.
La percentuale di sale d'acqua non lo dico perché è una cosa personale.
But of course, he won't tell me, it's a secret. Then into a very hot oven. So, how do you know when it's perfect?
Cotta bene da tutte le parti, è pari come altezza e un colorito d'oro, diciamo.
Sono rimasti tanti buchi.
Ci sono rimasti tanti buchi, è unta al punto giusto e poi è profumata, ma per dentro non si sente.
Fresh out of the oven. It doesn't get better than this. Let's explore a few other focaccerie. The first one is famous for its old historic oven.
La vitata la mettiamo dentro, una pietra di 4 metri di diametro e con questa ruota lo si gira.
After 12 minutes roughly, here it is, our freshly baked focaccia. How is it this focaccia? It's thin, crust and crispy outside, moist inside, and when you bite it, you have to bite it upside down. So the surface, which is the saltiest part of the focaccia, should touch your tongue first, so this way. Plain focaccia is of course the main star of our bakeries, but we have also other variations of focaccia. We have focaccia with onions, which is the second most eaten focaccia. It's amazing. And then any bakery has its own fantasy, many different toppings, but with always the same amazing base. Each bakery has its own recipe. The secret most of the time lays in the seasoning of the focaccia. In this bakery, for example, they put rock salt on top. Important warnings: you have to get used to oily fingers.
Also, texture matters. Here, focaccia is unbelievably soft. And sometimes the baker almost turn into jugglers. And yes, here in Genova, we dip focaccia into cappuccino for breakfast.
If you want to grease your fingers and discover what's your best focaccia, come and discover it with me.
A small kitchen in Genoa, recipes and food stories in the Italian Riviera.